Welcome my dear students. This is the first lecture for class 10 dealing with the first chapter, that is electricity. So first question comes with the what is electricity? It is the study of charges at rest or in motion. Two types of, generally there are two branches of this electricity. First is electrostatics, another is electrodynamics. In electrostatics, electrostatic is that branch of electricity in which charges at rest, and another is electrodynamics in which charges in motion. Okay, so I have actually pronounced charge so many times. So first see what is charge. Charge is the basic term for this chapter. Its SI unit is coulomb. But what is charge? Charge is the intrinsic characteristic property of any material or fundamental particle which experiences force when kept in electric field, external electric field. Okay. So how this charge come into role, we will see with one example. See, this is an object A, another object B, having 4 electron, 4 proton. I am symbolizing proton with E plus, and B is 6 electron, 6 protons. I rubbed these two objects, giving them some energy in such a manner that 2 electrons being transferred to this object. That means यहाँ से 2 electrons यहाँ transfer हो चुके हैं, तो यहाँ कितने electrons बचेंगे? 4 electrons and 6 protons. Okay, here it is going to be 6 electrons and 4 protons. Initially, both objects were at neutral state because these 4 and 4 getting neutralizing. Here also same, but now here if we neutralize these things, then 2 electrons will be there because 2 electrons are in axis, and similarly here 2 protons are in axis, giving them respectively negative charge to A and positive charge to B. I think you got that, how charge come into play. Okay. Now, how many types of charges are there? There are 2 types of charges. First is negative charge, second is positive charge. Okay, 2 types of charges are there. Now we will be discussing some properties of the charges. Same charge repel each other and opposite charge attract each other. This is the fundamental properties of charge. If same charges are there like positive, negative, then they will repel each other. But if 2 charges are there in opposite nature, like one is positive, one is negative, then definitely they will attract each other. Now, we are moving to another topic, that is quantization of charge. But before that, we will move to additive nature of charge. What is additive nature of charge? Additive nature of charge means we can add them. Simply algebraic sum we can have, and in by considering the nature of charge means we can add the different charges. We have done over here. 6 electrons means 6 negative charges, 4 positive charges means minus 6 plus 4, that is minus 2. Means we are adding the like numbers by considering their sign, negative positive. In this manner we can add them. This is the additive nature of charge. We can have the algebraic sum of the charges to have a net charge on a body. Okay, now one more thing is there, that is conservation of charge. What is conservation of charge? Conservation of charge means if any isolated body is there, then there will be no gain and no loss of electrons. Means total charge or net charge of any body will be always be conserved. Means no loss of electron, no gain of electron. I am again and again saying no loss, no gain. That means only loss of electron or gain of electron lead to the charge of any body, which means a body is charged. Now we come to this topic, that is quantization of charge. What is quantization of charge? Quantization of charge, see, we have so many things to quantify. Some quantity means we need to, some quantities, some terms which are used to quantify something. Similarly, we need to quantify the charge also. So we have one term, quantum of charge. What does it mean? Quantum of charge means to have the smallest unit of charge, that we have symbolized as electrons. Means one electron is being transferred one body to another, leading to a charge of minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 कूलम. What does it mean? It means that एक इलेक्ट्रॉन पे जो चार्ज होता है that is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 कूलम. Okay. So this is the basic reason behind quantization of charge. That is, quantization of charge means net charge of any body is integral multiple of quantum of charge. Means there is a charge, let's say Q, on n body, that may be n times the electron charge of an electron. Q is equals to Ne, where n means number of total number of electrons present, E is the charge of electron, and Q is the net charge, which gives the law of quantization of charge. That means charge can be quantized as a quantum of charge. Means n times the electrons give the net charge. Here we complete the topic related to charge. Now we will brief different things in the next topics, that will be starting with electric current. And